Hello, everybody. My name is Ariva Joseph. I'm the founder of Brivos Academy. It's another day of trading using fundamentals. Today is the 10th of December 2025. 2005. No, 2025, sorry. And we are going to use the breaking news that's going to be released by. Hope my screen responds fast. Breaking news that will be released by 2:30. Oh, did I just make this breaking news? Let me click on today. Yeah, breaking news will be released by 2:30 called Employment Cost Index to trade the forex market. So let me go back to my trading account and repeat my trading strategy. Yesterday I was in profit. I used what did I use to trade yesterday? Joe's job opening to trade the forex market. Today I want to use employment cost index to trade the forex market. So and the currency pair I trade is gold. So I just highlighted on it. Click on chart. Click on. I'm going to open 5 buy position, 5 sell position at the same time. So the buy and the sell. The buy is at the top right. The sell is at the top left. So I'm going to click that simultaneously. The lot size is 0.01. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I've opened more than one position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, how many? 1, 2, 3. I think I have 2 sales here. We close one sale. Sorry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me go back and open another position. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the trade. I've opened 5 buy, 5 sell. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 buy, 5 sell. So I'm going to put my profit target. And I'm going to put my stop loss for all of them. So the strategy is for all the buys, the first buy, you're going to add 10 to the entry. So the entry price for the first buy, you add 10. For the second buy, you add 20. For the third buy, you add 30. The fourth buy, you add 50. The fifth buy, the fourth buy, add 40. The fifth buy, add 50. For the sell, the first sell, you subtract 10 from the entry price. The second sell, you subtract 10. Repeat it, subtract 20. The third sell, you subtract 30. The fourth sell, you subtract 40. The fifth sell, you subtract 50. So let me do this for the buy. Modify position. So what is going to be my take profit point for my buy? It's going to be 4207.19. $4196 plus 20 is what? 4217.9.93. 4226.8.87. 4236.93. The last buy is 4245. Sorry for that. 38. Don't mind. So I've put my take profit. So I'm going to put my take profit for my sell. I've just put my take profit for my buy. I want to put my take profit for my sell. So for my sell, I'm going to subtract 10 from the entry price. So I'm going to have 4-1. This point, I think this point is where I was yesterday. This was where the price was before the breaking news. Yeah. Is it where it was? I think so. Yeah, this was where it was. Is it where it was? Whatever. So I'm going to have 4187.07. The price has not really moved. I think it was 4208. That was the entry price yesterday around 4 o'clock. It just moved down to my one of my stop loss, one of my sell take profit point, then came back to my entry. So we're hoping that it's going to repeat the same thing. Either it goes up today, then comes back to the entry, or goes down, then comes back to the entry. So I'm putting my take profit for my sell. Let me modify the second sell. It's 4176.89. Four one seven six. Okay, let me modify the last cell. No, the third cell. 4166.82. The fourth cell. 4156.82. The last cell, you subtract 50 from the entry price. 4195.332 minus 50 is going to give you 41 coming 45.32. Okay, now I've set my take profit point for all my buy and all my sell. I have 5 buy positions, 5 sell positions. So what is the rationale behind this idea? Why is it 5 buy? Why is it 5 sell? This idea is gotten from the book of Matthew chapter 25 verse 2 to 13. That's the idea behind this, the rationale, the inspiration behind this idea. And over the years, I've studied the market and I've discovered, over the month, I've studied the market and discovered that gold during breaking news goes, the highest it goes per time is 400 pips. Then it comes back to entry. And that 400 pips is during NFP, non-farm payroll news. But for other breaking news like CPI can go 300 pips. When CPI news is with the 300 pips, it's going to see come back to the entry point. So I now discovered that, okay, if we have 5 from Matthew chapter 25 verse 2 to 3, that the take profit point should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 for the buy. For the sell should be minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. So that as the market vibrates, goes up and come down, it will take out some take profit point either for sell or for buy. Then as it comes back to your entry, you will close out and be in profit. So the account management strategy I use is, if your account size is $100, the lot sizes you use should be 0.01 for your 10 positions. If your account size is up to $200, the lot sizes you use is 0.02 for your 10 positions. If your account size is $300, the lot size you use should be 0.03 for the 10 positions, 5 buy 5 sell. You've gotten to that point. So now I want to put my stop loss for all my buy and all my sell. Now the stop loss for all my buy is going to be the take profit for my last sale. I'll take that again. The stop loss for all my buy is going to be my take profit. The take profit for my last sale. And the take profit for my last sale is 4145. Sorry for my voice. I'm having a little catarrh. 4145. Let me modify my buy. 4145.32. 4145.32. Just copy it. Copy. Modify. It's 3 minutes to the breaking news period. So I'm going to do this quickly now. 2 minutes to the breaking news period. I'm in a haste. Doing it quickly. I'm in a haste, but I'm also careful so that you don't make mistake. Quickly. Now, the stop loss for all my sell is the take profit for my last buy. The stop loss for all my sell is the take profit for my last buy. So, the take profit for my last buy is 4245.38. So, let me go to my sell. 4245.38. Copy. Modify. One minute to breaking news. Let me do this quickly so I can go back to Forex Factory. Then by 8 o'clock is one of the worst breaking news in the history of breaking news for FOMC meeting, Federal Open Market Committee meetings. The market is always spiritual at that period. Oh, I hope I finish this before breaking news. Let me quit stocking and modify my trade. Few seconds to the breaking news. Okay, we are done. Let me go to Forex Factory and click on today. 2:30. 4 seconds to breaking news. Oh, we are there. So the forecast for this breaking news is 0.9%. If the actual is greater than the forecast, it means it is good for the currency. Okay. Actual is 0.8%. Means people will be selling the United States dollars to buy gold because the actual is now less than forecast. So let's read the update again. The usual effect for employment cost index is that if the actual, look at the usual effect here, if the actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. By good for currency means people will be buying the United States dollars. So the breaking news that was released currently today, right now, by this 2:30 is 0.8%. The actual is less than forecast, means it is not good for the currency. So the big boys will be selling the United States dollars to buy other currency. And what I just traded is gold versus United States dollars. So as they are selling the United States dollars to buy other currencies, it means gold will be on the rise. So let's go back to our trade. The market never move, not even give any positive movement. But since the breaking news has been released, let me adjust it to D1. Since the breaking news has been released and that and it shows that the actual is less than forecast, means people will be selling United States dollars to buy gold. So gold is going to be on the rise, and let's see how it moves. So I'll be coming back to this my trade to check how it went and see my starting balance. My starting balance is 176. So when I come back and I'm in profit, I'm going to show you my ending balance for today. My balance and equity is 176. 176. So I will leave this video and come back later to see how the trade is going. My name is Sarah Joseph. I'm the founder of Devils Academy. I have many other YouTube videos like this where you can watch to learn how to use fundamentals plus hedging to trade the forex market and be in profit. As usual, take charge. Okay, yesterday I promised you that I'll be trading the market using fundamentals, and I did so. I was in profit, and I was not able to record the video of how I was in profit because it was already after 8 and I just had to close out. It was around the period when there was Federal Open Market Committee meeting and the market was very volatile. So it took two of my profit target, okay, one of my profit target and came back to my entry. So I had to close out because I was already in profit. I think it took three of my take my buy position. I was in profit. So I had to wait for the trade to give me $10. Then I closed out. I was in profit. This is my trade for yesterday. If you remember, my starting balance for yesterday was 17176. So when I closed out from the trade, these are the trades I closed out. If I remember yesterday trade, the entry price is for let me go back to Carlin yesterday. Okay, yeah, this is for yesterday. Our entry price was 14177. So if you can remember that yesterday, this was the entry price. So this was the trade for yesterday. So this is my history. So you can see my history that it took out my first buy, took out my second buy, and okay, took out my first buy, took out my second buy, then it came down to the price now came down to 4206. That's when I closed out from all of them and I was in a $10 profit. So, and which resulted to shifting my balance from 176 to 187. So that's what happened yesterday and I was in profit. Today the market is 4212. So let me close out, and for this, my name is Ira Joseph. I'm the founder of Blue Academy. As usual, take charge.